Hey, welcome back to the Mr. Excel netcast. I'm Bill Jellin. Now, in yesterday's podcast, we talked about a question that was sent in separately by George and Alicia, and I want to revisit that question. They had a large data set with 20,000 rows, and they said, we want to keep one record per customer. That was George's question. And Alicia said, furthermore, I want it to be the most recent record per customer. And my simplifying assumption yesterday was I was allowed to sort the data set. But sometimes we're not going to be allowed to sort the data set. And so now my solution is going to become a little bit more convoluted. What I want to do out here in column I is figure out the largest date for each customer. So I want to build a formula that looks through all of the records, and when it finds the largest value for this customer, returns it. So here's how we're going to do that. I'm going to say equal max. The max function, of course, will find the largest number within a series of numbers. But then I'm going to have an if function. Equal if this customer, the customer in D2, is equal to the entire range of customers, D2 to D564, and I'll make that be F4. In other words, if this customer matches the customer, then I want to see the date, the corresponding date from C2 to C564. We'll hit F4 there. Otherwise, I want to see a 0. So what this is going to do for me is it's going to give me in memory an array, and for all the records, let's say, that match my current customer, I'm going to have a date. For all the other records, I'm going to have a 0, and of course, the max of all of those will be the largest record for that particular customer. Now, in order to make this work, it's a special formula. It's called an array formula. We have to hold down the magic keystroke, which is hold down Control and Shift while you hit Enter. Control and Shift while you hit Enter. And sure enough, Excel will figure out that for Bank of America, the largest record is 12/28/2007. And as I copy this down, it should go through and figure out what the largest date is. So here for Citigroup, the last time that we sold to them was 12/15/2007. That array formula is doing all that magic. And then my keep formula now is, hey, let's see if this current date, so 7/17/2007, is equal to the max date. Most of the time we're going to get false, but one record for every customer, we will get true. And then just like yesterday, we'll turn on the auto filter and filter the rightmost column to be true, and we'll get just one record, the most recent record for each customer. Plus the advantage is we did not have to sort the data. Much more difficult formula here to figure out the max, a special kind of formula called an array formula. Remember, it's Control Shift Enter in order to make that work. Hey, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another netcast from Mr. Excel.